Hi, I'm Brock Archer with Advanced Extrication. Welcome to Extrication Minutes every Tuesday on Fire Engineering. This week we're going to look at a simple task, removing the fender. Anytime that dash displacement is required on a vehicle, we want to remove that fender and expose that upper rail so that we can gain access to that area, evaluate that structure up there, and make our relief cuts. Again, when we do a dash displacement evolution, we want to make complete relief cuts in the area of the upper rail. If we can't make a complete relief cut in the upper rail, we're going to cut the bottom of the upper rail, low on the upper rail in the fender area. That'll give us that point of pivot for when our dash moves forward. But today I'll just show you how simple it is to remove that fender and gain access to that upper rail. Let's take a close look at the fender. One option for the fender to remove it is to just use a Sawzall. We can simply come in with a Sawzall and cut the few connecting tabs between the lower A-pillar and the fender. Simply cutting these tabs with a Sawzall and then running the Sawzall along the top of the fender, we can usually get enough of it out of the way to get to our upper rail to make our relief cut. Another option is to use the spreader. To come in with the spreader here and open this up, and then go low and open this up here. That'll rip these tabs away and give us access to the upper rail. At that point, if we need a little bit more, we can actually put our spreaders in deeper between the fender and the upper rail and take it the rest of the way. That should give us the access that we need. It's important if we use the spreaders to go up high with the spreaders first on the fender and then come down low. One of the common problems we run into with this when we use the spreaders is that if we start down low, then when we go for the top connecting point, the spreaders will slip out from the fender. So we can mitigate that by taking the top strap first where the fender attaches to the lower rail. We'll have the guys come in and show you what it looks like. It's a simple task, but we can save a little bit of time here if we know how to do this efficiently. So you can see the guys came in and removed the fender here. It was a simple operation. They started up high and removed this first connection point here first, and then dropped down here and removed the bottom part of the fender. Then it was just a matter of sinking the spreaders deep and taking the fender the rest of the way. Now we've exposed the upper rail and we're ready to do our relief cuts for our dash displacement. Thanks for watching this week's Extrication Minutes. I'm Brock Archer with Advanced Extrication. Take care and be safe.